Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to do a May favorites. I just can't even believe that May has already come and gone. Like, it's literally already halfway through 2018, you guys. Like, what? But anyway, I did gather up a few favorites of this month, so that's what I'm going to be showing you today. So let's just go ahead and hop into the video. So the first thing I'm going to start off with are makeup products. So one of the first things I have been loving, which I mentioned probably about last month for the first time, is the IT Cosmetics CC Cream. I really like this on like my lighter makeup days. For me, like I feel like it adds like a full coverage, maybe like medium to full. It's definitely a lot lighter, and I love that it feels so light on your face. So I have really been loving this in the month of May. Such a good product. Also, like, weirdly, it smells really good too, so you know, a plus. Next thing is kind of something that I'm still loving, is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. I have mine in the waterproof version, which I do not recommend. I hate this one, but the formula itself is so good. It just like really volumizes the lashes and, you know, kind of lengthens them and just makes them look more full and just beautiful. So love this mascara. Honestly, possibly a new holy grail. We'll see. Next thing is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I kind of like rediscovered this in kind of like the past few months, and I just love this concealer, you guys. It just, I don't know, the consistency is great. It just glides on when you apply it and just blends out so smoothly. And even though it's kind of like a glidey consistency, it's not like thick, it still has really good coverage, and I just really love this mascara girl. I love this concealer, and you know, this is just a classic, like an OG. So I also wanted to mention my beauty blender. So as you guys know, in my last haul, I mentioned that I picked up a new beauty blender, and I haven't used like the original pink beauty blender in a long time. I've been using the black one, and I love this little sponge. Sorry, it's dirty, but I love this little sponge. This is, you just can't go wrong with a beauty blender. This is my favorite sponge like ever. Next, I have a couple of highlights, and you guys might already be able to guess, but it is the Anastasia x Amrezy highlight. So I'm sure you guys have all seen this highlight. It's just kind of like a light champagne-y gold, and it's just honestly, to die for. I have been using this practically every day of the month. And if I haven't been using this one, I have been using the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit, which is also a fave. This one has 4 shades as usual with their glow kits, but 2 of them, which are the, what is this? Gumdrop and Butterscotch. Those are more of a kind of sparkly shade, and typically I try to stay away from any like highlighters that have sparkles or like chunks of glitter in it, but these are really beautiful. They're different in the way that they kind of apply. You know, you can definitely see the glitter in those two, but of course these two are just smooth as always. So this one is Gumdrop and this one is Butterscotch. So I just wanted to kind of mention that those do kind of have more of a chunky glitter in them, so if you don't like that, you might not like this palette or might not want to get this palette. But that is what I'm wearing today, and I think it just looks very beautiful, the marshmallow and butterscotch combo. So yeah, I just think it looks really pretty. The last palette I have been loving is another new one that I picked up recently, and it is the Smashbox Cali Contour palette. And this honestly is such a great palette. I love it. It seriously has like the perfect shades in there. Has your nice like cool tone, nice kind of warm tone, but not too orangey or anything like that. Has a beautiful kind of rosy toned blush, nice kind of little under eye setting powder, and then kind of some highlighty bronzy shades in there. So super pretty. I love this palette. It really is just a nice kind of go-to. Plus the formula is really nice. I just feel like everything blends out beautifully, and you know, it has this wonderful mirror in there, and I love it. I think it's such a good palette to travel with, nice and compact, and yeah, loving this. Okay, so the last thing I have been loving in the month of May, I'm not sure if I mentioned this in my last like April favorites or not. I don't know, but I have been obsessed with the ColourPop Fairy Floss Gloss. So these are their like ultra glossy lips. I'm not wearing it today, but this is just so pretty. It's like, if you can just imagine, it just like really kind of nudes out the lips, but in the most beautiful way. Like, it's just a light pink wash of color, and I love it. I think it's gorgeous. So I definitely recommend picking this up if you like these kind of tones and shades of pink. I think it's a beautiful gloss layered over like a lipstick, or even just by itself is gorgeous. Plus it's only like $6 or something like that, so such a good deal. Now I kind of want to mention some super random things. So first off, I have some rice cakes. These are the caramel rice cakes, and I have been obsessed with these. I put peanut butter on top of them and then just have like a little glass of milk with them, and it's like, oh, so delicious. Seriously, whenever I get that snack craving, this is my go-to. Just thought I would mention that because I am trying to incorporate more kind of health and fitness stuff into my YouTube channel, so been loving those. Also, real quick, I have to mention, like, Bulgarian split squats. Amazing. I feel the burn in my booty, like, so much. If you have a hard time feeling the burn in your booty, girl, like, do some Bulgarian split squats. Like, I am telling you, you will feel the burn. Okay, so the next thing is kind of like super strange, kind of weird, but I have been loving Kendall Rae here on YouTube. I have been loving her videos lately. I watch, like, just like binge watch them all the time. So like her Unsolved series, or her Where Is series, or like her conspiracy theories, like, oh, they're so good. She has such great content, you guys, and she really just seems so sweet and very nice, and I just love watching her videos. So I definitely recommend watching her videos if you guys are interested in like conspiracy theory type of things, or just like missing cases, or, you know, just stuff like that. But anyway, if you guys are interested at all in those types of videos, I definitely recommend watching her. She has such great content, so definitely check her out. Okay, so lastly, I just have a few songs that I have been loving this month. So first off, we have Watch from Travis Scott. Anyway, I love Travis Scott. I am obsessed with him. I pretty much love everything he comes out with. Also, next song, obsessed with this one too. This is by Ty Dolla $ign, called Clout. Smash for the clout, dash, I'm out, mashing for the clout. The next one I have been loving, I don't know if this is like the actual artist and song, but it says it's by Lil Pump, and the song is called Welcome to the Party, but I'm just gonna go ahead and play it. Like, love it. Love that song too. Just got a freaking awesome beat, so love. Next song is All the Stars. That's a good one too. And lastly, like my fave one of all time is Love Lies by Khaled. Like, this is my favorite one. Oh, I love this song so much. So baby, tell me where your love lies. Waste it till you spend the night underneath the sunrise. Show me where your love lies. Such a good song, you guys. If you have not heard it, I definitely recommend checking it out. It's just such a beautiful, pretty song. Such a great melody to it too. I love it. Those are all of my favorites for the month of May. I'm sure I probably forgot a thing or two, but pretty much that's the bulk of everything I've been loving. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely let me know what you guys have been loving in the comments section below. I would love to know. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did like it, and don't forget to subscribe for more of my videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!